I don't think anybody wants to see their partner dancing with somebody else. Jealousy comes in there, you know, a little insecurity steps in, and it makes it a little bit awkward.
Listen, Tony, don't try to act like I'm not a good student. I am an excellent student, okay?
Yes, you don't say so yourself.
If I don't say so myself.
Yes.
I'm an excellent student.
You don't even wait for somebody to give you a compliment.
I do what you say do, honey. It's okay. I don't need you to give me a compliment. Thank God we ain't married in real life. We'll be divorced. For real.
Okay, so come here. One more time.
I don't feel like it anymore. Goodbye. You're going to have to come with a better attitude tomorrow.
Oh, my God. Are you serious
yes, you
right
are. No, I'm dead ass serious because you got a damn attitude today and that ain't going to work. You want to go back to Candace? Then you should call production so you can go back to Candace and then so you can be happy. Because I've only given you the best that I got every day, that I've ever come here and danced with you. So I don't deserve an attitude. Here's your mic, and goodbye.